Just a short drive from the west entrance of Glacier National Park along the scenic Going to the Sun Road is Lake McDonald. The area and lake offers trails for hiking as well as coach and boat tours during the summer months. Plus, there's dining and accommodation available at Lake McDonald Lodge. Have you had the opportunity to visit and tour Lake McDonald or other parts of Glacier National Park? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give that like button a click. Please consider sharing it or even subscribing. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.